Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on long division using standard algorithm. So our first problem says Caden is buying Gatorade for 7,392 runners who entered the breast cancer awareness walk. The Gatorades are packaged into 24 per case. What is the number of cases Caden needs to buy so that each runner will receive a Gatorade? All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. It says estimate to support your answer. Well, we're first going to get our answer, and then we're going to prove that it's right using estimation. Our total is 7,392. We are dividing that by 24. And so now we're going to look. Does 24 go into 7? No, but it does go into 73. So our first division problem is 73 divided by 24. So what you're going to do is go to the side and just add 24 plus 24. You end up with 48. You can get closer, so what you're going to do is you add another 24 and you end up with 72. If you add another 24, you're going to go past the 73. So right now, 3 groups of 24 is as close as we can get, and 3 times 24 is 72. You're going to subtract that. 73 minus 72 is 1. You're going to bring down the 9. Your new division problem is 19 divided by 24. Now you can't just bring down another number. You have to, this is your division problem. You have to prove how many times it goes in. It doesn't go in at once because it's smaller. So what you do is you put a 0 right above the 9. 9 times 24 is 0. Subtract it the way you did the 72. You end up with 19. And then now you bring the next digit or your next number, which is 192. Now your last division problem is 192 divided by 24. How many 24s fit into 192? So what you'll do is go back over here and just continue adding. There's no point in starting over. 96, if we add another 24. 120, we can still add another. You want to get as close as you can to 192 without going over. Now, it went in exactly the amount of time. It went in exactly to 192 evenly. There's no remainders. Go back and count how many 24s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in other words, 8 times 24, 192. Subtract, the remainder is 0. All right, let's go to the next problem. It says a charity collected 1,872 cans of food and wants to pack them into 24 cans each. So your total is 1,872. You'll divide that by 24. So what you're going to do is just look at the first numbers that we need. 24 doesn't go into 1. It doesn't go into 18, but it will go into 187. So all you want to figure out is how many 24s go into 187. So you'll just do repeated addition. I'm going to keep going. Okay, I went over. So what we're going to do is go back and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took 7 before I went over. So I don't need the last one, but I'm not going to erase it. I'm just going to leave it there. 7 groups of 24 is 168. I'm going to subtract. And now my new division problem is 192 divided by 24. And we already know that it's 8 times. 8 times 24 is 192. And there's no remainders. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, don't forget to hit like or subscribe.